Hello guys, it is with great enthusiasm that I introduce to you the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro, a device that epitomizes the pinnacle of smartphone innovation and design. This flagship model stands as a testament to OnePlus's unwavering commitment to excellence. Design and display. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro boasts a sleek, flat design complemented by a distinctive circular camera island. Its 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers a resolution of 2780 by 1264 pixels, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals. With a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support, users are assured of a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The screen's peak brightness reaches an impressive 4500 nits, ensuring clarity even under direct sunlight. Protected by crystal shield glass, the device is both durable and resilient. Additionally, the Ace 5 Pro is IP65 rated, providing resistance against dust and water. Performance. At the heart of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This powerful combination ensures seamless multitasking and top-tier performance. The device offers storage options up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0, catering to users with extensive storage needs. Running on Android 15-based ColorOS 15, the Ace 5 Pro provides a user-friendly and customizable interface. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Ace 5 Pro's versatile camera setup. The rear features a triple camera system, a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, 4 sharp and stable shots, an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 112 degrees field of view, and a 2MP macro lens for detailed close-ups. The device supports 4K video recording and incorporates AI-powered features that allow users to remove unwanted elements from photos and reduce glare. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures high-quality self-portraits and video calls. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 6100 mAh silicon-carbon battery, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro promises extended usage without frequent recharging. Its 100W wired charging capability enables the device to reach a 55% charge in just 15 minutes and a full charge in approximately 35 minutes. The inclusion of bypass charging is particularly beneficial for gaming sessions, allowing users to power the device directly without affecting battery longevity. Gaming and connectivity. Gamers will find the Ace 5 Pro particularly appealing. The device introduces the Feng-Qi gaming core, facilitating native 120 FPS gaming at 1080p resolution. OnePlus has collaborated with the developers of Genshin Impact to enhance the gaming experience. Additionally, the Ace 5 Pro features a dedicated gaming Wi-Fi G1 chip, ensuring stable and low-latency connections, even in challenging environments. The innovative Double Ice Core VC cooling system effectively dissipates heat, maintaining optimal performance during intensive gaming sessions. Color variants and availability. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is available in 3 elegant color options: submarine black, starry sky purple, and white moon porcelain, the latter featuring a premium ceramic finish. These choices cater to diverse aesthetic preferences, allowing users to select a device that resonates with their personal style. Conclusion. Summary. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is a harmonious blend of sophisticated design, robust performance, and innovative features. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone seeking a reliable and stylish smartphone, the Ace 5 Pro stands ready to exceed expectations. It is not merely a device, it is a statement of OnePlus's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can achieve. Thank you.